How to delete Snapchat stickers. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you step by step on how you can do it. So let's get started. First of all, you may go ahead and access your Snapchat application. Just go ahead and launch it and open it up. After that, just go ahead and take a quick snap. And then once you take a quick photo, tap on the sticker icon at the right side of your screen, locate that up and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you may just go over to the Caesar icon right here in order to access your stickers that you made yourself, the customized stickers. So all you gotta do is hold your finger on the sticker that you wanna delete. And once you do that, you should be finding the delete option, a trash can icon, or something like that. Right now, we can see a delete option on our screen. So just go ahead and tap on it, confirm it, and there you go. That should basically delete up the custom stickers in Snapchat. So you can repeat these steps to delete any other custom stickers you no longer want as well. And that's it for now. You may also follow the same process in order to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.